to Aritra's showreel?
Aritra.
Okay, cool. Take number, bro. Like, I have zero feedback. I'm gonna watch it again to just see if there are any bits that didn't work for me. Or you could edit maybe a little bit down, but
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think here I get it. This is an animatic sort of a thing, so maybe you can't necessarily cut. But I think we stayed on this pond.
Yeah.
But I
Bit
think
too
I
much.
know. Yeah. I get that it's part of a film and there is a certain pace that the film is following. So I
Yeah.
get it. So it's
Doesn't
fine.
work in the showreel though, I think.
Yeah, maybe you
Mhm.
could cut just this one shot out because it comes again anyway,
Yeah.
and you could directly jump here. I don't know if
Yeah.
sound wise the chopping and the second hand is. Okay. So it kind of works. It's nice. Maybe then when the clock comes again, you could take it out. Maybe let's see. But I think I like it. You're displaying your focus and a lot of different qualities in your work. So that's great. This you could take it out because I understand. I see that you try to do an edit like a camera work showing your film skills also. So, but maybe see, like I think the ball is in your court. I think you're really strong. I don't think anybody is going to get bored watching it. There is good stuff everywhere. So if you want, you can see where you want to slice things out maybe. But this is a good film.
Got it.
1.3 is very good film. Very good reason.
All right. Thank you.